I am Nut, the goddess of the sky. The Egyptians believe that I am also the goddess of heavenly bodies. I was originally the goddess of the nighttime sky. I am the most important goddess because I protect the world from darkness. The ancient Egyptians believed that I swallow the sun god Ra at the end of the day and I give birth to him the next morning. Sometimes I have vulture wings or a vase of water on my head. So just remember that I, Nut, am the finest yet greatest out of all those other gods. Without me, you would not be able to look up into the nighttime sky and watch the stars with your true love.
Bow down to me, Osiris, the god of the underworld. I am the greatest god of them all because I was a god king who was believed to have given Egypt civilization. So see if you can beat that. My brother Seth killed me, but then I was resurrected, so I lived twice and you other gods didn't. Yeah, sure, Tevna can control rain, and Thoth made hieroglyphics, but in the end, I am the coolest god of them all.
I am the most truthful goddess that you know, Mot. I am important because I am the goddess of truth, justice, law, order, immortality, and primordial being. Also, I assist other gods such as Thoth, Anubis, and Osiris help with the heart of a dead person. If they haven't stolen or lied, they will pass through to the underworld. But if you have, then you will have your soul eaten by a terrible demon. So sure, other gods are more important. But remember, I am the most truthful goddess you know. So be good to everyone you meet, or else.
Bow down to your awesome king Set, although my name is too classified for people like you to say. I am the god of the desert and commotion, and I try to break everything that is in harmony with Egypt. Ha ha ha!
Before I get started, I'm just going to say that you are going to learn that I am the most important goddess in the ancient Egyptian universe. Hey there, I, Hathor, am the goddess of complexity, love, fertility, naughtiness, music, and beauty. I am the goddess of love because when I was little, people always said, I love you, and that's why I became the goddess of love. I'm important to the ancient Egyptians because they believed during every childbirth, 7 Hathors, me, would arrive and sit beside him or her and decide his or her future. Other goddesses were a form of me. Now you know why I am the most important goddess in the ancient Egyptian universe.
I'm Horus, the god of the sky and ruler of the earth. My name is a Greek name. I killed Set for revenge because he killed my father, Osiris. During the war, I was blinded in one eye. I am special because my eye is a symbol of the gods and goddesses. It's the eye of Horus. Some believe that kings were a living form of me.
What's that? I'm Anubis, and just because I have the head of a jackal doesn't mean I'm not the awesome god of tombs, embalming, and guiding the dead and deciding if the souls are worthy to live on the underworld. Also, I was the original Lord of the Dead, but I let my father, Osiris, take the throne. And without me, the dead couldn't take the journey to the underworld, and the cot and the ball wouldn't have a place to rest. That is why I'm the most awesome, cool, most rad god, and if you don't believe me, I'll destroy your soul.
Pharaohs, bow down to me, Sashat. I keep an account of your speeches and make sure they are correct. I am the Pharaoh's favorite. Beat that. I am also the goddess of wisdom because as a child I always had sound judgment and much knowledge. I, Tefnut, am standing before you. I am responsible for controlling rain, dew, moisture, and time. My father is Atum, and my brother husband is Shu. I can appear with the head of a lion sits on fierce, or I can appear as a woman dressed in white clothing. So you better remember me, or I'll make sure it'll only rain on you forever.
I'm Thoth, the mighty ruler of all gods. Yeah, without me you wouldn't have math, astronomy, science, or history. I'm smarter than all the gods or goddesses. Beat that. In our world, I'm like the black-eyed peas. I'm Thoth, yeah. All the gods and goddesses say I'm the best. Yeah.
Behold, the most awesome and beautiful goddess Sekhmet, the goddess of war. I am important to the Egyptians because I support the winning side during a war, and I always win. So the Egyptian people should pray to me. When I am calm, I turn into Hathor. I also love drinking the blood of the weak. So remember what I said or you'll always lose in a war. Beware. Behold I, Isis, the goddess of magic and love. I'm the wife of Osiris and the mother of Horus. I am important because I am a protective goddess. I use magic spells to help people in need. I'm also the queen of the goddesses so hot. That is why I'm a very important goddess.
Hello, my followers and other people who worship me. I am Bastet, the most amazing goddess to the ancient Egyptian, because I protect them from daily problems when they are pregnant. And wow, here's another reason why I am awesome. I protect them during war. Oh, and I love cats. Love cats.
You now stand before the most amazing goddess of ancient Egypt. Obviously me, Nephthys. I am the goddess of the dead along with my sister Isis. I am also the protector of the pharaohs. Sometimes I am also called Nebethet or Nepthet. My titles are Lady of the Mansion, the Useful Goddess, or the Excellent Goddess, and those names all suit me perfectly. I helped Isis find Osiris, my brother, when his/my evil brother killed him. I can't believe he did that. Oh well, boys, always fighting. So, if you don't pray to me, Nephthys, I will make sure you die in pain and agony. Oh, and P.S., I roll.